If you shine light even at something like washing powder or colour liquid, and you see a glow of light coming off, you might see one colour coming off. But in fact, lots of colours come off, and by measuring each of those colours or wavelengths, we can find out something about the substance that was in the sample, whether it's washing up liquid or whatever you have. In imaging, I think what we have is we can do at the moment incredible imaging for healthcare and biological discovery. In fact, many physics techniques are driving healthcare.
The experiments that we establish, they're quite big, so they require a large optical table, they're quite expensive. It's not the devices themselves are quite large, and they require specialists to operate them.
This is the barrier to the real-world applications. Yeah, we have the sensitivity, we have the knowledge, we have the poor concept demonstrations, but the barrier there, if we are not using new technologies, it will never get through it.
It's not really field friendly or not really friendly with regards to transferring this technology into clinical use, for example, in the hospitals, etc. Great challenge is, in my opinion, is to somehow compact this whole technology, make it more turnkey-like, and it needs to be significantly cheaper. All of this needs to happen without loss of the functionality, such as resolution, speed of operation, precision, and things like that. How I see it, the most practical directions where we are going to put our efforts in is to create a very, very sensitive sensor for molecular sensing that can be used to diagnose common diseases, and replace blood tests. Just breathing into a tube and getting all the fingerprints of the molecules within our breath, that's very, very useful. And this technology can be very sensitive, so it can detect diseases at very early stage.
And I think what COMS will do is unleash a new era of beautiful, hopefully compact, portable devices that will revolutionize early diagnosis of various diseases and conditions, and also drive biologists and clinicians to come and work with us to address their fundamental discovery. There's never a more important topic than that.